Welcome to Trendy Tech. Today we'll be show you the 10 really cool kitchen gadgets that can make your everyday living a little bit easier. We included all the links of the product in this video in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started.
The Presto Professional Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder. The easy way to slice or shred vegetables, fruits, cheese, and more. Just point and shoot right where you want. No extra bowls to clean. A handy funnel guide and 4 interchangeable cones are included for making regular slices, thick slices, ripple cuts, and shreds. The professional salad shooter is easy to use. Interchangeable cones slip right in. No complicated parts to assemble. The extra-large food chamber holds whole potatoes, and the adjustable food guide adapts to large or small loads. Shred potatoes for hash browns, cheese for pizza and tacos, and cabbage for coleslaw. Slice bananas, apples, and more for a delightful fruit salad or pie in minutes. Even grates chocolate, chops nuts, and makes bread and cracker crumbs. It's easy to clean too. The motor base wipes clean. All other parts are dishwasher safe. The fast and convenient way to make delicious salads, soups, pizzas, tacos, desserts, and more. The Presto Professional Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder.
And that's it for today. If you liked the video, please subscribe as we always upload videos of new fantastic and cool amazing gadgets that I'm sure you will love to see. Tell me in the comments which gadget was your favorite, and I'll see you soon in the next video with more such crazy gadgets and cool products. Till then, thank you for watching, stay safe and enjoy.